Hi, this is Crystal from Christico Design. Today we are going to crochet this basic half double crochet beanie pattern. The materials you'll need are number 4 worsted weight yarn. This pattern comes in multiple sizes, so I'm going to list out all the different sizes information for you. For baby 0 to 3 months, you'll need 75 yards of yarn. Baby 3 to 6 months, 80 yards. Baby 6 to 12 months, 85 yards. Toddler size, 90 yards. Preschool, 93 yards. Child size, 95 yards. Teen or small adult, 100 yards. And then medium large adult, 105 yards. For this pattern, I'm using my 5mm US H8 crochet hook. And I have here my Peach Odyssey, my ergonomic hook from Furls. Other notions you'll need are your yarn needles, scissors, and measuring tape. Your gauge for this pattern is 14 half double crochets in 4 inches by 12 rounds of half double crochet in 4 inches. When I'm working in the round, I like to check gauge by rounds. So if you work up rounds 1 through 3 of this hat, you should get about 2.5 inches across the diameter of the circle. Rounds 1 through 5 measure 4 inches across the circle. Okay, all sizes will start with a magic circle, or you can chain 3 and slip stitch to join those 3 chains into a circle. You'll place 8 half double crochet into your circle and slip stitch to join. Okay, if you're using the magic circle, you're going to pull your tail to close that circle before you slip stitch it together. And then we'll just place a slip stitch in the first half double crochet to join the round. Okay, for round 2, we're going to go back into the same stitch where we just slip stitched. I start with a chain 1. This is going to keep my join looking nice and tight. And then half double crochet back into that same spot, and that's my first stitch of the round. Place a second half double crochet in the same spot. Don't count this chain 1 there. That's my slip stitch. There's my chain 1. You can use a stitch marker to help you identify that first stitch. If you're new to crochet or new to crocheting in the round, I highly recommend using the stitch marker in the first stitch until you really get used to it. Okay, now continue to place 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. When you get to the end, you'll finish with 16 half double crochets, and you'll slip stitch to that first stitch marked by the orange stitch marker to join your round. Okay, as we start round 3, we'll begin the same way with a chain 1 and work into the same spot. We'll start with 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, and I'll keep marking the first stitch of each round. In the next stitch, I'm going to place 2 half double crochets. And then that will be my pattern around. 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 half double crochets in the following stitch. Keep repeating that around. Your last stitch will take 2 half double crochets. Then you'll slip stitch it to the first stitch. You'll end this round with 24 stitches. Okay, here we are ready to join round 3. Again, the stitch marker helps us identify the first stitch that we can slip stitch to. And we're ready to begin round 4. With a chain 1, half double crochet in the same stitch. Continue to mark your stitch. Now in this round we're going to place another single half double crochet in the following stitch. Then we'll place 2 half double crochets in the next stitch. And that will be our repeat around. Half double crochet, then 2 half double crochet in the following stitch. For round 5, we start with our chain 1, half double crochet in the first 3 stitches, then place 2 half double crochet in the next. And that will be our repeat all the way around. Okay, for round 6, we're going to start with our chain 1 and then half double crochet in the first 4 stitches. In the next stitch, we'll place 2 half double crochets. And we'll repeat that around 4 half double crochets and then 2 half double crochets. Now at this point through round 6, if you are making a baby to 3-month size hat, your circle should measure 4.5 inches across, and you can stop increasing your circle here and then move ahead to the sides of your hat. For those making larger sizes, we're going to go on and continue increasing our circle. Okay, we're starting round 7 here with a chain 1. We'll half double crochet in these first 5 stitches, then place 2 half double crochet in the next. Repeat that around, join with your slip stitch. Finishing up round 7 here, and your circle across should measure about 5.25 inches. And if you are making baby 3 to 6 month size or baby 6 to 12 month size, you can stop increasing your circle here and go ahead to the sides. For those continuing on, we are going to do round 8. We'll start with our chain 1, half double crochet in those first 6 stitches, then 2 half double crochet in the next, and repeat that around, Join with the slip stitch to finish. As we finish up round 8 here, you will stop increasing after this round. If you are making toddler or preschool sizes, your circle measures 6 inches across. Okay, for round 9, we are going to start with the chain 1, half double crochet in those first 7 stitches, then place 2 half double crochets in the next, and repeat that around. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. When you finish this round, your circle should measure about 6.75 inches across. Round 9 ends here, and you will use this size for children and teen and small adult sizes. For medium and large adult sizes, we will increase one more round. Okay, for round 10, we are increasing one more time. So we'll start with our chain 1, half double crochet in the first 8 stitches, and then 2 half double crochet in the next, and repeat that pattern around. Then join with the slip stitch. When you are finished with round 10, the circle across should measure about 7.5 inches, and then you can move on to the sides of your hat. Okay, so once you have increased your crown circle to the width you need for your size, then you will just work rounds of half double crochet. So you chain 1 and then half double crochet in that same stitch and in each stitch around. So each stitch will only get 1 half double crochet from here on out. You join with the slip stitch and then continue to the next round of half double crochets. If you are making baby 0 to 3 months, you will repeat through rounds 15 for a 5-inch tall hat. Baby 3 to 6 months, repeat through round 18 for a 6-inch tall hat. Baby 6 to 12 months, repeat through round 19 for a 6.25-inch tall hat. Toddler, repeat through round 21 for a 7-inch tall hat. Preschool, repeat through round 23 for a 7.5-inch tall hat. Child size, repeat through round 23 for a 7.5-inch tall hat. Teen or small adult, repeat through round 24 for an 8-inch tall hat. And medium and large adult, repeat through round 26 for an 8.5-inch tall hat. Okay, I'm just finishing up my example round here. I'm at the end. I'm going to slip stitch and join my regular half double crochet round, and you just keep repeating that one round for your length size. And then you will need to weave in your ends. So you've got your tail there that you started with, and then when you finish your sides, you'll cut your yarn and leave a long tail and weave that in as well. And I'll link up that video for you in the description if you need help learning how to weave in your ends. Now on this little baby hat I already have it turned to the right side, but likely you'll need to flip yours to the right side, which is the side you see as you're working. I hope you enjoyed this hat pattern, and I'd love it if you stop by the blog and check out the free pattern there and more patterns and tutorials. Thanks for watching.